This picture by a small baby girl. First, you need to handle the pictures by the CorelDRAW. Then, import it to our software. Our laser machine has the red square to show you the place. The process now is the engraving, now is the cutting, the outline. This is the silver sheet. It's very easy to cut. For example, this design about to 2 minutes, you can cut it through. You can see from the below. Now we need to stop. After cutting, it's better to cleaning. Then we can remove the dark dust. That means this laser machine can do laser engraving, laser cutting, and laser cleaning.